Today we are at the mall. We're gonna go see if they have the University Blue Jordan 1s. We're gonna go to the mall right now and see if they have them. Feet today, we got the Mocha Jordan 1s. They might have them, they might not. Hopefully they do. I'm gonna go to every store in this mall. Later on in the video, I'm gonna tell you guys how you can also secure a pair on a restock. So make sure you guys stay tuned, watch this entire video. Let's go to the mall right now. We're here in Finish Line. Let's see what they got. Just see a bunch of Air Maxes. Nothing too crazy. These silver joints are pretty dope, but nothing too crazy at all. I did ask about, of course, the ones, and they don't have them. They did sell out. Ooh, they do have these. That's weird. All this like trash at the bottom. They got a bunch of Ultra Boosts over here. Nice colorway on sale. Black, white, can't go wrong. These are dope. So I did ask about the ones, University Blue ones. They're sold out, of course. All raffle winners. They told me it was a crazy release, and it's just insane. They just sold out very, very quick. The hype he said was crazy, and he said there was almost a fight here, which was crazy as well. So yeah, they did sell out. Let's move on to the next store.
A lot of places that it was canceled, I was hearing it was canceled a lot of orders because a lot of places didn't get them.
Okay, all right.
So I don't know.
Is it possible for a shipment maybe? Probably not, right?
I wouldn't even be here to tell you that right now. Cause if so, they said that if they do re-release, they're gonna release them in New York. It would probably come to these local
The main stores?
Probably the main stores.
Okay. The bigger stores like in Manhattan.
American Dream.
Yeah. Okay, all right, cool. Thank you. Have a good day. So you guys heard foot action there. Sold out as well. Didn't even get them actually, so didn't even get them. Let's see what's next. Snipes? That's what I was on first.
Yeah.
You think you'll maybe get another restock maybe?
No.
Definitely done?
You can probably check Soul Culture. They might have some available.
Yeah, it's probably
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I have them already. I'm just looking to pick up more pairs. And I'm a YouTuber, so I'm trying to like see if I can pick up more pairs.
Oh, okay. It's like a challenge video. Good luck on that, bro.
We're here at the Jordans, and they do have some Jordan 1 lows, reverse bread colorway. Not bad. These are nice. Got some colorful Adidas over here. But yeah, that's basically it. That's Ultra Boost and whatnot as well. But you guys heard they are sold out of the ones. They're gone. They flew, sold out, so that was expected. All right, guys, we're in Soul Culture, a resale store. They have a ton of shoes. We're gonna see if we could find the ones and see how much they're charging. Maybe pick them up if it's a good price, but let's see what they do have. I do see a bunch of other shoes. I'm looking. Let's turn it around. I see a bunch of Jordans. I see the new ones here, but I don't see the ones we're looking for, the University Blue. So let's see if they have them. I don't see them. I'm gonna ask. Let's see. Shout out to Soul Culture for letting me film. They did not have them in store. Ah, man. All right, so today was not a successful day getting them, but we're gonna go home. We'll talk a little bit more about the University Blue Air Jordan 1. No University Blue Air Jordan 1 sitting at the mall today. I did go to every sneaker store, every retail sneaker store, including even a resale store, and no one had the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. I do want to tell you guys, do not give up. I'm not going to give up. I don't want you guys to give up either, because this sneaker will be in stores in your local areas. However, it will be very tough to acquire for retail. It's basically a who you know type thing when it comes to some sneakers like this. If you have connects, awesome. If you don't, it's gonna hurt you a little bit on getting this sneaker when stores do get stock in. So what I recommend doing, if you don't have a plug, if you don't have a connect, what I recommend doing is going to the store as much as possible each day. I know that sounds ridiculous. It might be absurd, you know, to keep going back, to keep checking, but you might come up on a pair for retail in the next few days after, since it's been released. you might see them coming up in the next few days, the next week or two at the stores. Guys, don't give up. Put in the work. If you truly want them, go to the stores. You might come up on a pair. You never know. I've came up on Carmine 6s, Silver Toe Jordan 1s, a bunch of other Jordans in the past. Tons of restocks. Late shipments is really what it is. So don't give up, guys. The stores will have them. Just because we didn't find any today doesn't mean they won't have them tomorrow. Remember that. They might have them the next day after going in. So keep on being on the lookout if you truly want a pair. Very tough sneaker to grab, especially for retail price. So if you truly want them, head over to the mall. Head over to your local spots and see if they wind up getting some pairs. And if they do, hey, you got a great come up. I definitely think it's worth going to the mall, even if they don't have them, even if you don't wind up getting them at all. I totally think it's worth at least going to the stores to see if they have, because at the end of the day, you could still build your sneaker connections. It's all about who you know in the sneaker game, and if these stores see you constantly going in, spending money, talking to them, being friendly, making that type of connection, they're more likely to help you out on future releases such as this sneaker. So, guys, don't give up. You know, like I said, I'm not giving up. You know, I'm telling you guys, look, I went to the mall. It was an L. It was a waste of time. It is what it is. At least I put in the work and the energy to try to cop for retail, because this was not an easy sneaker. A lot of sneakers have been delayed. A lot of late shipments, a lot of craziness going on in the world, and you know, this sneaker was no exemption. There was no exemption for the sneaker with all the craziness going on. So guys, if you truly want them, head over to your local malls. Don't give up and keep searching for the Jordan 1 University Blue for retail. It's a very dope sneaker, definitely a must-have, and definitely one that will go up in price and continue to go up. So if you truly want them, put in the work, man. Put in the work and go cop your pair of University Blues. Not an easy shoe, but they're very, very dope. Very worth it. Quality's insane. I'm going to continue to go to the mall each and every day for the next week or two. I'm not going to keep doing it for too long, but pretty much every day for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be at the mall for a little bit, you know, spend a little bit of time and meet those connects. Hopefully meet some connections, make some connections, and hopefully secure a pair for retail. That's the goal. If I do, I will be recording it, so you guys will see that content here on the channel. Make sure you guys go to your local malls, don't give up, and let me know if anybody actually does cook up a pair for retail. Man, dope sneaker, one for the books. What a release this was. Let me know if you guys do go to your malls and to your local spots, and if you want the pitting on University Blue Air Jordan 1s. It's very similar to what happened to the Mochas. Same type of shenanigans going on. So, with all that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.